All right, welcome back. Long time no see. This is going to be the brain fart. The trend video. So, all right. So the trend is kind of funky. So this would be the low that we had to break because it would have been the moving control. As you can see, we did break that. So what all I'm going to do here is this. Red. That's orange. Red. So I already broke that, so all I'm going to do is just do the most recent couple boxes here. Actually, just to make it look better, it would look like that. Damn it. Okay, so all I'm trying to do here is copy and basically make a duplicate. All you do is you hold Control and click on it, and then you drag it to where you want it to go. And then it duplicates. Don't do it on the corners though, it won't work. You got to do it like on the side of the box. But this one is like kind of behind it, behind these two, so it won't like click it, so it's being a pain in my ass. Alright. So that's our most recent breakout. And like I was saying in the curve video, we can trade it effectively, we can trade it to the curve level there. So at least that's the idea. We'll see how well that actually works though. Effectively, this would actually just be a yellow box. Actually, this would all be a yellow box. 240, there we go. Because this is our moving control right now. So anything trading inside of here, it would have to break out of here to be considered like a range then, or a end of the trend, I guess you could say. So these are our two shorts here. My stop's above there. So that was a retest of the level. So we're just going to use where the retest went as our profit target. And then we can just trade it right down to there. So we've got ourselves a nice 29 to 140 points. So 1 to 4.5 ish. And this one is going to be 33 to 169. It's probably 60, 1 to 5.5 ish. So it's going to be our standard short trade. So 1.1171, 1.1343. Alright, so we're going to go 30 and 34. Alright, so and once I get this, so we're right here, you're going to see that the stop loss is above the entry point for this one. The reason that is so it doesn't stop you out. Barely miss the entry for the second one, and then work out, because that sucks when that happens. That is one of the most frustrating things. So if it's going to stop us out, it should fill the second trade before it stops out the other trade. So best case scenario, best case scenario, it'll just work. But the next thing would be it goes into the second level, fills that, and then goes away, and then you get double filled and get double profits. The next best case scenario would be it goes into the middle of the second zone, stops out your first entry, but you're still in the trade. And the worst case scenario is it just stops you out entirely, which would suck, but alright, so it'll be 27 to 25. Three. Okay. Boom. And yeah, if price comes into here, hits the 240 level, the curves trade, and then works, what we'll do is we'll then cancel our short entries coming in here, 58. There we go. I just wanted to move that profit target a little higher. Delete that one. So let's go back here. So this is your moving control. All of this happening in here doesn't really entirely matter. I mean, it does, but it doesn't. So this would be part of a range that is trading inside. This is all, just a range trading inside of this right here. So this is your move in control, or the impulse move. So you got your impulse, corrective, impulse, and then anything in here is going to be a corrective move unless it breaks out above this swing high. So that's why it's all in yellow. So yeah. So let's get up, let's take our picture. Move that over, make it bigger so I can see it. So if price, another thing too, since this one is a standard range short, if price were to break out above here, then both longs and shorts would be able to be taken. So, but we'll cross that bridge when it gets here. Moving on to the pound. There we go. Got a nice little downtrend here. Breakout level. All right, so seeing as we're that close, this would be our coulda, shoulda, woulda level right here. Bang, bang. Coulda, shoulda, woulda level. And it looks like we've got some curve trades actually to look at. So that's going to be a coulda, shoulda, woulda level. The reason that is because we're so close to this level, the 240 level we're taking for the curve entry. So I'm not going to take that. I'm going to check out the Aussie. Yeah, so that's, let me see here. That's going to be our level right there. Okay, so I'm actually going to change this probably just to a standard trade because it's with the trend. And this one will be a standard range trade up here. Because, like, let's draw the box, which is going to be really stupid. So it's all kind of fucked up here. But, because, yeah, both of these, so realistically, what it should look like is just that. But I'm going to make it like this. So that would be like your up move here. So that's still a good trade. So yeah. Some of like the stuff is, like I said, it can be confusing, and what do you actually use? So you could use this, but it was, I don't know, for me it was kind of a wild ass move that happened last week, and this is like a trend. It still broke at that. So both of these, regardless, even if you did draw this, you know, and use that as like your big ass move or your impulse move, both these trades are still valid because the breakout point would be this pink line then, and both these trades are above that. So but for just like my own sanity, I'm going to use that because it does get your impulse, correction, impulse, you know, under 240 is what it looks like. So that's what I'm going to use. All right. So as far as profit target, that'll be the profit target 1 there. And then profit target 2. And for this one, that would be technically the first profit target. Let's use the same profit targets. .6365.6693. What? Oh, 65. There we go. That's better. All right, so it'll be 22, 20, 26, 26. This will be 24 and 24. Alright, so those are going to be our Aussie trades. Let's get our picture. So then the same rules apply. Like if it comes into that daily level of demand and works, we're going to go ahead and just cancel the shorts, because that means that's probably where the uptrend will begin. If it holds, if it pushes through the level, then we can just take it down to the next level. Point 6541, point 6546, point 6365, point 6196. Standard short. Standard range short. Did I don't, yep, I didn't, okay. So I just gotta put these trades into. So if these curve trades get hit, or they hit, that means I'm probably not gonna be deleting the lines and stuff on it. And it'll just stay. So when it comes chart reset day, it'll just stay that way, so I still know what I'm looking at. All right. This is kind of another thing that we run into with those weird ass days. So like this would actually be your impulse move right there. So it took out like this low. It took out that low, took out that low. But it's just like a real erratic kind of move, so I just kind of let them play like that. Because you gotta make some kind of decision of how far back and how you do your own stuff. And that's the decision I'm making. It's like those erratic, weird ass moves and shit that happen. So here we go. Yep, the curve trade, that's valid. Both curve trades are valid. This would be maybe a trade we could look at taking as far as a standard range short. This trade already hit right here. $17 to $73, dude. That's like a 1 to 8. If not, it's pretty close. So that would have been a sick trade to take. Catch the last move on a Friday. That would have been a nice little trade. Catch a 1 to 8 to end your week. What would that be, like $800 trade, $700 trade? That would have been nice. Maybe it comes back down to here. Anyways, moving on to the next one. It's gonna be our dollar CAD. Impulse move there. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at right here. Green, there we go. So if we wanted to, that's so annoying. See anything below this, this could be a level right there. We could take it. Already hit though. I don't think it's quite a 2-to-1 profit target. So 88 to 114. So for me, it's a no-go. This one would be more likely. It's 38 to 102. That would be a solid 1 to 3, I think. Almost 1 to 3. I'm just going to let these go though, because on the 240 we did not get the close above the previous swing high, telling me that it doesn't have quite the strength to get up there. Plus we're going to come up to that 240 zone here, and I'd rather just wait for it to get there, hopefully short that, and then build a short position going down. The dollar frag. So we have our big ass, our impulse move. Goes all the way to here. So this is all corrective move because it's trading inside this red box right here. So our trade here is actually going to be, our opportunity is going to be above that line. We got this weird ass shit going on right here. Oops. Make that green. And then this would be our red. So anything above there, above this breakout area. There we go. So, start looking for levels. Take that one. Use the retests as the profit margin. Let's get all our levels up here first, because there's that one, there's that one. Like from 1 to 3. And last but not least, this like level on level kind of thing going on right here. There we go. So as an example though, what I would have done before I like remembered or thought about like the impulse and correction kind of stuff is drawn all the boxes up in here, and this would be like an uptrend when really it's more of a downtrend because it's trading within the range of this red box. And that's one of the things I was doing when I first like restarted in Kayla Christine's videos that she was doing. She's like, well, we can't really buy anything in here because it's trading inside the range of the previous box. I'm like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. But then I got like way out of control and I forgot exactly what I was doing, and then, well, here we are today. All right, cool. So we got 3 trades here, 2 standard shorts, and 1 standard range long. So what would that be? 48 and 5. Alright, so 51, 51. And 48 and 5. And here we go. Alright, so it's going to be kind of messy, but that's okay. On a 60-minute chart, it's going to be really hard to read that. I keep forgetting to do these. Pending standard short. Eight 29 7. Right? So that's going to be the last one, I think. So dollar yen is going to be the last one that I decided to do today, because that's all I feel like doing. So, well, plus it'll save time and hopefully make these videos easier to watch. I mean, I don't know, watching anything over like an hour fucking long is a huge pain in the ass, I think. Especially about some pretty dry information. Like, trading's not really that exciting. 5350. Here's lower than that. So this is your big ass move, your impulse move, as one might say. Alright, so just delete that. Here we go. It looks like we might actually be inside of a move here. You know, I tried to take this short last week and it did not work. I think I tried to take like this area or something like that. So I'm just going to mark this one off. I'm not going to take it. Yeah, there's just the profit margin's not there. For me, at least. It might be there for you, but that would be the trade. Where the fuck? I think I might have taken like... No, I didn't take... I definitely didn't take that. It must have been this. Something. I don't know. Plus, that level's pretty much used up. We might find a breakout there. And if there's a breakout here, what I'll do then is this will be like the new trend. I'm going to make this the new trend. That'll be the new trend. And I'll just delete the yellow box, delete that, delete that, delete that, and then we'll just take this bad boy long. And then I want to actually see if this reacting. So I'm pretty sure the yen pairs all came into their 240 levels and they all held. So it did come into a 240 level here. Kinda. Yeah. Whether it counted or not, it's kind of different. Yeah, because there's a breakout. Yep. Boom. So there you go. That's all I'm going to be doing today. We're at 33 minutes in the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. New videos every day, mostly. This week I'm going to do a better job of updating my trade blog. These last couple weeks I'm going to do like changing a lot of stuff. I was sick last week, which sucked. I'm still kind of sick today, but a lot of that I'm just hungover. But I am feeling a lot better, so yeah, I'll make sure I update that so you can keep track of the trading and the results of the trades in pretty much real time. So one more thing. I'm just going to make this a woulda, shoulda, coulda level. My purple. And then I'm going to shower, order a pizza, get some cooking done today for the week. And yeah. Party hard. So have a great day, everybody. Happy trading. Hopefully this is a better week than what the weeks have been previously. I'm going to take a look. Yeah, I did set this up, I remember, because I had to add the chart. So, yep, that's all I got for today, guys. Have a great day, and, you know, if you got questions, shoot me comments. As far as doing, like, one-on-one things, I haven't really figured that out yet. But if you want a one-on-one to learn this, hopefully it's working before we actually do that. That would be great. But actually on this one, I kind of want to just start buying it, to be honest. because that is an uptrend. Because if I just delete this and delete that, then it's definitely an uptrend, a touch there. So this would be like the build position too that I was talking about. So this would be like a level. That would be the level probably. And like this area right here. And we just take that, ride that all the way back up. So I'm going to mark these off. Just take that because that's like a level on level dealio. That and then that as well. So I might take these trades later and set those up. If I do, you'll see them in the trade log. You'll be able to probably just that actually. Oh no, the explosive move did come from there, and that's what pushed it and made it close above the candles, or close above the breakout. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you later.